Hello traders and friends. Today we're going to talk about US 100, even called NASDAQ, and we are on the daily chart. We're going to take a look at the channel from the August, and you can see, you can look at this as a breakout from this channel. But if we take a look at the weekly, you can clearly see that it's still in the range, and we got the margin to on the downside. That's I think that's gonna be no problem if it get a pullback and it hit this on the downside. But of course you have to be careful. It can turn around very fast, but the NASDAQ looks very strong, and has great momentum in this candle, both Wednesday and Friday. So I expect it's gonna to hit the over sloped resistance here, and maybe this double top here, and it's going to make a pullback on the downside down here. You can see here it was 4 days it hit this support. If this holds, you can expect it to bounce like this and then up like this. But maybe it's gonna break from this place and get up to the resistance. But it's in an important place, so we don't know what's going to do. So let's see what's happening next week. As an information, the NASDAQ and US market is closed on Monday, so it open again on Tuesday. So we see you then. Have a nice day.